Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me.
On them private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think.
Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. Just lovely. Leave phone, come to mind, the cash at hand.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. Well, it's real raw and uncut. It's a little cut, but you know what I mean. I just want to say like, comment, and subscribe. You're gonna like the video, so just do it now and not at the end. Thank you. As y'all seen, I just did my makeup and my hair. Yes, y'all, today we decorated my bathroom. Today we decorating the bathroom. I really can't wait. Like, y'all, my bathroom look like a little boy living in it right now. And look at me. I need something better than that. We about to go get in the car. I guess I'll see y'all at Home Goods. I want to see how far Home Goods is.
No one coming over me. Next stroke overseas. I know what you need.
Okay, y'all, we about to just go to the car. I'm talking too much, so next clip. Hey y'all, so I'm in Home Goods right now, and we looking. That's too cute. This is cute. This is cute, y'all. Look at this. This is cute for my perfume. I see some cute stuff. Look for her. Over here, I see some pink. Well, literally pink stuff. Like this. Like this. This is cute. I don't need. Thank you. Nowhere. Say hi to my YouTube. Hey. These is cute for like my toothbrush and toothpaste. And then, but I want them to be pink, I think. We got these for the shower. These was better. How much is these ones? Same price? Yeah, I think I'll get these ones instead. Checking out, y'all. It went through. They checked, they got bounced. No, fine. Thank you. Look at this, this is cute, but it's so thin. Like, I can feel how thin it is. Okay, so I found this. This is like cute, but I want something very vibrant. Like, it's not vibrant at all. Look at this. I want it to be pink, but I think it's fine if it's not pink. So I think this is cute. We're gonna take this off of here though. I'm back in the car. I put the bags in the car already. Y'all, I still did not find like the toothbrush holder and like a soap dispenser. That's literally all I need, and I need to get some gas. I feel like I should have just ordered it on Amazon when I ordered everything else, but I really did not want the ones I saw on Amazon. I wanted to find some in store, but now I'm just not feeling that at all. Like, and then tomorrow I might have to get up and I'm gonna have to get up and go to Walmart or something I don't know. I could just go back into, should I? I should go back into Home Goods to get that soap dispenser that I had showed y'all. The ones with the cute little bows on it. But I really want a pink one. The next clip is either gonna be me in Burlington or me waking up and going to Burlington, because that's where they tell me to go to look for some more stuff. And I'm about to go do that. I'm actually having a good time. I'm having a fun time by myself. Like, this is actually so fun. I'm not even gonna lie. And I look so cute while doing it. Like, literally. Okay, y'all, so I'm back in the car. I do not like the light in here. I'm back in the car. Y'all, I went to every freaking store. I cannot find a toothbrush holder and a freaking soap dispenser. I'm literally trying to find a soap dispenser and I can't find it. Like, I keep finding colors, like a pink one, like this. It was a pink one, but it was like not, it was like this pink, and I'm not looking for this pink. I'm looking for more of a this color pink, and I just did not want to settle. Like, I did not want to settle at all. I just bought Nikki. I'm about to just go to Macy's real quick. Maybe, I don't know. I'm ready to go home and get in my cute pajamas that I just got. Today is Saturday, and today is supposed to be a cool, calm, collective day. Honestly, it's been nothing but the sort. So hopefully I can just go home, wind down, clean my bathroom. I already cleaned my bathroom yesterday. I should have got it on camera a little bit more, but I'm gonna show y'all a little bit more cleaning. But I cleaned my bathroom yesterday, and yeah, I just can't wait to start putting things up. Like, I really just can't wait. Like, y'all, so I'm back in the house. My bathroom look a mess. I'm about to show y'all this boyish bathroom. I gotta tell y'all, I did not find any soap dispensers or a toothbrush holder. This is my toothbrush holder right now, and it's cute. I got this off of Shein. Like, it's cute, but I'm just really not feeling it, and I really want a new one, but I just don't want to settle. I seen some ones that I showed y'all, but I didn't really want to settle. Okay, I should settle, but I wanted pink, but I couldn't find a pink like this color pink. This is the color pink I'm looking for, but online, I really don't know what color my curtains is. Like, it's supposed to be like dark pink and light pink, but I don't know what kind of pinks they are, so I didn't know what pink to really get, and I didn't open it yet because I was waiting for the vlog. Here's everything I've got. Sorry, the toilet. Here's everything I got on the floor. So here's my bathroom right now. If you go on my TikTok and stuff, you can see how it was when it was pink before, but now we going back to pink and not this gray. So Marshall, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Amazon. Yeah, I recently deep cleaned my bathroom, so I'm not gonna like OD deep clean it, but I am about to go ahead and push all this stuff out and clean my bathroom out with the old and with the new. This is my old trash can, which I need to change the trash, but so further ado, let's get into the clean montage. Oh, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all, this is so cute. Finally get to see it in person. I knew it was gonna be this type of like pink, but like cute. And of course I'm extra, so I got a pink liner. Get into it. Then I got me some towels. They was like cheap. It's like a set for like, I don't even know. So like you see the thing. But we have more. So this is stuff I got from my bathroom. So the thing is pink and gold. I got this from my perfume. This is so cute. Perfumes, lotions, really anything I feel like put right here. But isn't this so cute? This is so that I can hang up something on the wall, but I never even got anything, but I still need these anyway, so. Next door is TJ Maxx. And I've been looking for a bucket to go over top of my toilet, so I can put toilet paper, flushable wipes, really anything I want, pads, anything I want out in the open, I need accessible to. I don't like to get on my period and then I look in my drawer or I gotta get up off the toilet. No, it needs to be behind my toilet. So we got this. I don't know why this is there. I'm taking this off. I don't really like that, or put it inside because when the winter time comes, it'll be cute to have out. So, but I'm gonna put that inside for now. See the thing? Yeah. So tea. Really anything for like toilet paper, pads, flushable wipes, anything hygiene I feel like putting in this basket behind this toilet is going in here. More TJ Maxx. Really my new makeup bag. This is probably not even going to be in the bathroom. I don't really know where I'm going to put her at, but I did need a makeup bag. So, this. Look, the zipper. Look at the couture. So cute. But let's go with her. Oh my goodness, I have stuff in here. This cute bottle. I got this poppets. I got this vase. I got this vase with this poppets in it that's always set in my bathroom, and we just love her. So she's staying in my bathroom, and she matches my bathroom already. So she's staying. Then I have this candle. See, it's like barely lit that I've had. It smells so good. That I've had for so long, and like it's called Love Yourself. Like. We love that. But yeah, she's standing here because she's gold. So I'm tweaking out. So let's go ahead and start putting everything up. Those like hooks, I like that. Make it easier for me to put it on.
There was nobody, no one.
The pink liner is already so cute. It's already so cute, y'all. Oh my god. So cute.
I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Just know. If I didn't ride late on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind, that word would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to.
Let me stop.
Keep it
Y'all,
on,
it changed the vibe
don't got you, I
already.
got nothing.
I was
I
living
got
like, this is my bathroom.
We gon' function, no assumptions.
Girl, you fine as hell, I wanna see you. I wanna.
Okay, they gave us this carpet.
Only for the night, only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder, I know it coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, I'm ready coming in. I'm finna go out. This feeling on drought, this party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind, that word, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing.
Run for my money. There was nobody, no one that'd run me. So give me a run for my money. Spend lovely, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just lovely.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Hey y'all, so now people are good. Here I made this a bow. This is so cute. I did this. Oh, like doesn't it look cute already? So this walk-in rug. then you walk over here, have a trash can right here. This is super cute. We have this little caddy, and of course it's pink. Dance on my face in the morning. Then we got some toothpaste, cotton swab, pads, Dove soap in there. I like it. Now this is so cute. This is what it's looking like. Then we have this part. It says better late than ugly, which I totally agree with. So it's time for the final reveal. Ew, look at the shower curtain. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think, girl. Tell me what you think. Don't hold back. Just let me know. You think it's cute? Me too. Yeah, this is my bathroom, y'all. Like, I really love her. Y'all, I really love my perfume. I really love how I'm displaying my perfume. Like, I just feel like that makes my bathroom even more girl la la. So, just in love. And I just love, like, when I took the other curtains down, the bathroom immediately had a different vibe. Like, soon as I put these up, like, immediately had a different vibe. But I feel like the bathroom before was giving more so like hotel-y, like let people come in, use the bathroom real quick. I feel like this bathroom, like, yes, it did throw up pink, but like it's giving me, like, this is my house. Why don't I make it comfortable for you? Oh, right, yeah. This is my bathroom, y'all. Like, I'm really so happy, like, I really am. So this is literally like the first episode series to my moving series, to my decorate my house series, to remaking my house series, to making my apartment my home series. Yeah, just know, like, we have a new series coming out. Like, my bathroom was the start of it. Next, we're doing my living room. Just stay tuned to that. I'm too excited for my living room. Yeah, like, this was so fun. I literally can't wait to make another video. But I have to wait for my living room stuff to come in. So that'll be here soon. So stay tuned and subscribe, because I know y'all gonna be waiting on that video. Don't forget to watch my Shein hauls and what I did on Halloween. Don't forget to go watch that. Go follow my social medias, because that's where I post the most. If you really want the inside scoop rather than waiting a whole week for a new video, then go follow me on TikTok and Instagram at It's Just Kells, ITSJSTKELLS. Yeah, just get ready for the moving series and my next couple videos that's coming out. And I hope y'all like my bathroom. I hope y'all like my video. I hope it wasn't too rushed. If there's anything that I can work on, y'all let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.
Won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who.